Hello everybody, this is Itay Verchik, and in this guide I'm going to show you how you can delete the title of the page if you don't want to present it and display it on your pages using a simple code with CSS. Okay, so first of all, to understand, as you know, you're familiar with this annoying post title that displayed on every template that you have. Either way, if you have Elementor template, theme like Hello Elementor or Ocean WP and Astra and so on, you have the post or page title that is displayed on every page, new page that you open. Of course, that is displayed on every page that you open. Now, of course, that you can hide it by using Elementor. If, for an example, I'm editing this page and editing it with Elementor, like I'm doing right now, edit with Elementor. As you can see right here, I cannot delete this title, but I can only go to settings and right here hide this title, and now it won't be displayed. Now of course I can do it on every new page I open or on every page of this website, but it will take a lot of time for me. Now I can do the other thing using CSS, of course. On the dashboard right here you have the theme file editor. Go inside here and just copy paste this line. Dot entry, which is the class, title, copy this line, dot, which is the class, and of course entry title, which is the element. Now you open and right here the display none and mark it as important. Now you can save and update the file, and this post or page title will not be displayed anymore. So this is how you can do it. Just one line with CSS, you can hide inside all of the pages and posts the post or page title, and you don't need to set it again and again on every new page that you open. It will already automatically will be hidden, as I've just now wrote the CSS code on the theme style.css file, and this is how you do it. SEO is very easy to eliminate the title of the page when it's presented in WordPress with one line of CSS. If you have any more questions, you can write it down in the comments below when I will comment, and on the first comment I put the link to my full guide on my website. And if you like this video, you can like, subscribe, comment and share, and good luck.